What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Binance BNB and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis, and make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subbed, so please tap the big red subscribe button. We've had reports our content isn't being recommended to our subs at the moment, so please hit the bell icon and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, it does look as though Binance is recovering fairly well recently off the back of the massive market-wide dip that we've seen. We're seeing higher lows and higher highs here for Binance, so we are feeling pretty convinced that it's making a nice recovery, as you can quite clearly tell. Once we broke out of this falling wedge that we seem to be in, basically since around the 12th of May, and then obviously we got this huge downwards movement on the 19th because of the market-wide correction. It does seem as though Binance has been recovering quite nicely, as you can see on the charts. We've outlined some key areas that do seem to be being respected, and it does look as though we're making some kind of trend line to the upside, something like this. And most cryptocurrencies have been making a trend that does look something like this. They're basically reversing out of the pattern that they've been in, and they are trading upwards in a kind of channel, as we can see, that's something like this, which is currently being respected. As we can see, we have flipped bullish in the past week or so on the EMAs as well, which is good to see. Although we did flip bearish yesterday with a little flip of the EMAs here as well. But it does seem as though we are still respecting this upwards trend that we do seem to be in at the minute. We are bouncing quite nicely and are heading towards somewhat of a recovery from what we can see. Binance is currently trading at around $390. Which is a really nice gain from around the $211 that it dipped all the way down to. Congratulations to anyone that bought the dip. You would have made about 85%. On basically the last few weeks of price action, it seems as though the market is slowly recovering, although there's a lot of volatility in the minute, mostly due to this Bitcoin conference that we're having, and Elon Musk is still being notorious and tweeting quite a lot, which is leading to quite a lot of market volatility. And obviously, Bitcoin obviously is leading the market right now because of all the fear and uncertainty that we're seeing. I think the fear and greed index is back down to like 17, which is extreme fear, which is basically showing the sentiment of the market currently and how much fear there is in the market. But we do think that this is going to most likely slowly recover over the next few weeks to the next month. We don't think the bull run is over by any stretch of the imagination, and we probably think that we're probably going to have a cooling off period of around a few weeks to a month from here before we start to see those upwards price movements that we really want to be seeing. But in our opinion, Binance seems like it's recovering pretty well. Our price target would be trying to get above this $440 level, which does seem to be a historical level of support, as we can see here. If we can get above this, because it will be quite a strong resistance now, we do think that will be ripe for continuation. But as we said, we don't see anything wrong with how Binance is performing right now. It seems to be performing in line with basically the wider market, and it's bouncing quite nicely from these recent lows that it made. It obviously came down, hit this perfect swing low here around $200 to $210, this previous swing low, and bounced very nicely. And as you can see, we've got that A, B, C movement to the upside. We've now got a D pullback wave, so hopefully with this E wave, we can continue upwards in the trend that we're seeing. But as we said, everything looking good for Binance in our opinion. Obviously, what Binance does next is largely down to what Bitcoin does, but we're quite hopeful for Bitcoin that it's going to go and challenge that 40k level again in the next few days, and then hopefully we can break through it. There has been some really great news in the market coming out of the conference as well. There is a country, I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head, I believe it's El Salvador, is adopting Bitcoin into their national treasury so they can use it as legal tender, which in our opinion is a huge case for adoption, and obviously this should be very bullish for the price of Bitcoin. But in terms of BNB, you can see we're making higher lows and higher highs currently, which is something that we want to see. We've got this ABC wave, as we can see. We're now making another higher low, so hopefully if we can get the bounce here and make another higher high, and continue trading upwards in this channel. It wouldn't be very long before we were back to these all-time highs of around $700, as you can see. If we kept moving up inside this channel, it wouldn't be very long at all before we reach that, probably at the end of the month. Obviously, it remains to be seen what the wider market will do, but we do believe that BNB is a strong project, and it has probably been getting a nice bounce as well because of the NFT platform that is launching very soon on Binance as well. Binance is basically doing it all. They're a huge exchange and they're not going anywhere in our opinion, so this is probably a good coin for the long term. Our short-term price prediction, we do want to see it head over this $440 level. We do think if we can see that bounce and get that E-wave above this level here, this $440 level, we do think that a retest of this as support and a continuation would be ideal for BNB. Remains to be seen what will happen in the short term because of the wider market, but we do think that BNB can easily do a 10x from here, which would be around $3,000 to $4,000 per coin. And we do think it's worth that as well, considering how much utility it has now, thanks to Binance Smart Chain, and also with its NFT platform coming that we believe you'll be able to purchase NFTs with BNB. There's more and more use case for the BNB token all the time, and we do think it's a top project. So that's our update for BNB today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with purevpn. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.